I'm still going.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, CrySTYLE Beauty. What's going on, my lovely ladies? If my face is not familiar to you and you're not a subscriber, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and also welcome to my channel. Turn on the post notifications so you won't miss a thing, and also give this video a big thumbs up right now. Alright, so first I'm going to start off with this LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Warm Honey. And I'm using it as a primer so my shadows can show up and they won't crease. So I'm going to take my damp beauty blender to blend all of that out. For my transition shade, I'm going to be using the Yes Please ColourPop palette, and I'm using the shade Chauffeur. I believe that's how you pronounce it. If not, I will have it in the description box, so make sure you check that. I'm putting that shade in my crease area. Alright, so for my outer corner, I'm going to darken it up with the shade Mischief, and it is in the same palette. For this look, I'm going to be doing a half cut crease, so I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer and Warm Honey again just to cut the crease. So what I used on my lid was this pink glitter eyeshadow, and it's called Fairy Princess. It didn't show up pink on camera, but it's definitely like a light pink shade. I created my wing liner with this NYX gel liner, and I didn't do anything too dramatic. So I am correcting and concealing with Warm Honey. I did not use the orange corrector because lately I've been having flashback, and I just wanted to see what was the reason for it. So I just took out the orange corrector and just used the Warm Honey. The foundation that I use is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless foundation, and I'm in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. I'm highlighting all the high points of my face with medium beige. It's about 2 shades lighter than me because I want this to be a really dramatic look. Now I'm going to take my Beige Cosmetics palette and use this pink shade for my under eye. So I'm going to leave the name of this lipstick in the description box, but it's like a brownish kind of shade. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, and I'm using like that red pinky shade, that glitter eyeshadow, and putting it in my tear duct. I'm highlighting with the Revolution Golden Kiss highlighter, and this is going on my cheekbones, forehead, down my nose, and on my chin. So on top of that lipstick, I'm going to be using the NYX Lingerie lipstick, and it is more so of a pink shade. So you guys, my makeup is done. The only thing I have to do is put the eyelashes on, but I'm going to do my hair first. So I have to wand curl like the top part of my hair, so I can put on the wig, and yeah, that will be the finished look. Alright, so I have the wig right here, and I did wand curl it. I just put a bonnet on so the curls wouldn't fall as much. These are the curls. And I'm just going to put it on my head. Alright, so I did put some combs in there. I put some combs in because I wasn't going to sew it down to my head. So I'm just going to put the combs in my hair. You can leave your curls like this, but me, I like to loosen them up. Alright, so I'm just gonna run my fingers through it.
All I need in this crazy world is me and my baby girl. Yeah.